My name is Lucy.
And Morena, Winton School. Ko Anthony, ahau. I am Anthony. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 27th of June.
Okay, let's start the week with tidy class news. Let's have a drum roll please for
Rooms 12 and congratulations.
Nice work. Keep your classes tidy. It's week 9, so we're getting down to the nitty gritty. It's pizza for lunch next week for someone.
Let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is māmā, which is te reo for mum or mother.
As in ko Gail to call mama. Gail is my mother.
That's māmā, which is te reo for mum or mother.
Ka pai, HI VIZ VESTS. Most people are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. Scooters and bikes, walk them within the school grounds, especially after school. Kia ora.
As it's icy and slippery out there, please walk around corners and watch your step.
Hockey news. All year 0 to 5 hockey players meet on the new basketball court at 12:45. Kia ora.
Pals news. Check out the library. Check out the window on the library for who and where. Not sure who's up today.
Inter-house spelling bee. Year 5 and 6 finalists, you are up today.
All year 5 to 6 finalists, please be in the hall at 12:45 for the final round. Bring a pencil.
New student news. Room 1 has a new student starting today.
A big welcome to Sophie McKellen. Has her first day at Winton School. Sophie has a big sister, Maya, in room 5.
Birthday news. 2 today at Winton School. Dylan Mackay hits the magic teenage 13.
And Eddie Campbell is another year older, celebrating her 6th birthday today. Ra whānau ki korua.
Enjoy your birthdays, you two.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, Winton School.